What are they talking about?
They've got an extreme weather survival guide.
Hail Alley.
Wow.
Woo.
You learn something new every day.
Sounds good. We are running a bit late, but we're on our way, obviously, to our Rangers game.
We're all kitted out.
It's extremely cold, as I've mentioned 7,000 times, so one of the practices en route, I read that you could take a blanket in. Well, I searched and it said yes. So I have an official Texas Rangers oversized blanket. So I'm hoping that and my hat will be all good.
A metre and a half by 2.5 metres.
Yeah, I'm excited. Obviously I had my really cute baseball girl outfit planned, but instead I'm wearing my Guinness jumper and going to be wearing a blanket, so look forward to that. Whoa, this is crazy, bro.
Okay, so that's the game just over and they won in the last innings, so we must be their good luck charm.
4-3.
Yeah.
I'm
Wow.
betting it.
Yeah, it's very
But we've got our badges.
Yep.
Woo! What did you think?
That was very good, well worth it.
That was a wild ride,
And
wasn't
we
it?
got to see our first ever home run in person, and it was very well presented, and then fireworks afterwards. It was
For the home run, just like a quick burst of fireworks.
yeah.
But,
There was only one home run, but we're glad that we got to see it.
And show off.
Yes, it's my certificate to say that attended their first Texas Rangers game at the Globe Life Field, but actually this is my first ever baseball game. So
And show your badge.
and obviously I've got my badge here. Ryan, a lot of people were looking at me like, oh, like this guy's first time, because everyone else that had them were 5-year-old kids or newborns.
It was very fun, and what we forgot to say obviously was the Texas Rangers won.
Oh, of course, yes.
So
Right at the end as well. It was
it
quite
was
good.
the last inning.
Yeah, very exciting.
It was
All of
good.
up to the end.
Very
And a good
epic.
celebration. It was yeah, it was great.
The
I'd
stadium
definitely-
was insane.
Yeah, I'd definitely go back, and it wasn't cold at all. So
But got my merch, and I needed it for the walk back to the car parking.
and now
That
she's
was
just
cool.
gonna go around the apartment wearing it constantly.
Yeah, you know I like to be cozy. Pickle glazed sandwich. Yeah.
No
Oops, sorry.
problem.
And fried pickle lemonade.
That is fucking rank. That is
Right, so not only could I get pickle lemonade, I could get it frozen. Is that not the most exciting thing that you've ever heard? The girl obviously could not understand wine at all, so when we got to the one where we were paying, we realised the order was all wrong. We were like, just all the pickle stuff.
everything pickle.
So I ended up getting pickle lemonade. First taste test. Oh wow, that's good.
It tastes like
It tastes.
exactly like
Oh my god, yeah. Okay. They're good. They're like chicken, like
seasoning.
KFC chicken on the outside, yeah. Obviously, there's no
And then a
chicken, but
pickle in the middle.
here you go. Have a bit of ranch. Tell us what you think of ranch.
Not pretty good.
Yeah.
I like sour cream.
Whoa, the burger's huge. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy Moses.
Wow.
Oh my god. This thing's huge.
Did you even get any of the chicken?
Oh my god. Really,
Has it got pickles on top of it?
it's really pickly. You need to taste this. Oh, it's like spicy, pickly. Oh my god, it's good. Too much pickle. Hopped into Stadium Beer and Wine to get some vodka, and what was the verdict?
I was just like, do you have any vodka? And he's like, no, you can't buy vodka. And I was like, oh, you just don't stock it? Because I couldn't see it. And he was like, no, you can't buy it anywhere. And I was like, anywhere? And he's like, yeah, not in Texas. On a Sunday you can't buy spirits. He's like, you can buy wine, beer, champagne, and I was like, okay. Bizarre.
That is
but
insane.
Yeah,
So on a Sunday in Texas,
cannot buy
no body.
spirits, whiskey, anything.
Wow.
The next day.
Ryan's favourite shop,
Bass Pro.
and this one comes complete with a lake that people appear to be fishing on, so we'll have to go and explore that.
Yeah, this is so bizarre.
But yeah, this looks like a pretty huge one. I was just saying the one we went to in Florida was massive, and so I was like, oh, this one has a full lake around the whole thing.
Oh, look at this bit.
Oh my
Waterfall and
gosh.
stuff.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we'll take you outside, but and sunshine. Woo! So maybe it is a day for fishing. We might buy a boat because there's plenty.
We can tow one.
Yeah. This shop is crazy. The lovely guy at the desk was asking us to sign up, and we were like, oh, sorry, from the UK. But then he was telling us there's a walk-through aquarium, there's life-size animals, there's all the fishing stuff.
And there's people fishing outside. It's just
Yeah, it's crazy. So we'll show you what we can. There is an aquarium.
with big fish in it. See the
Big
fish.
fish.
How are y'all doing today?
Good.
Did that scare you?
Yeah. Look at it, it's huge.
Oh wow, look. Oh, the fishes.
Oh, they have a lot. They got a long nose gar. Oh my god, they've got a short nose gar. No,
And a
long
long
nose
nose,
gar.
yeah. Or are they your favourite?
No.
Oh my goodness. Wow, this is a full walk through aquarium. Into the land animals portion. Oh my god. They're to scale. Who do you want to see? Hi, rhino. There is a massive elephant, but to scale. Wow. A bat-eared
look-
fox,
they
how
look-
cute. Oh, lions.
Lioness.
So pretty. Oh.
No, that's
Oh no, they're not. They're a mascot. Whoa. Okay,
They look like a winterized version.
they do. Bigger coats.
This non-typical mule deer was taken down by Lloyd Murphy in 1936
Wow.
in Colorado.
He's old.
He's coming up on 100 years old. Wow.
Yeah, man. Old. Old. Big game country. What's this area called? We're
Yeah,
still in the
big-
shop, by the
Big
way.
deal. This deer was alive when Hitler was alive. What do you think about that, Hannah?
Cool.
That's mental to think.
Yeah, this whole place is mental though. Was it a success?
Success. Big bag.
What'd you get?
Free magazine.
Oh yeah, we'll need to read this. Look, hook and barrel. Get all our tips.
I've got our baseball caps yesterday, but I wanted one that was just a little bit more subtle.
A little bit more country.
A little bit more country, something by campfire. in
Nice.
Oklahoma, you know? Yeah.
Looks good.
Got a little multi-tool. I'm going to open it up in a minute.
Very
Got
cool.
$6 this was.
Yeah, that's insane.
unbelievable.
Straws.
Metal straws and a
Four.
straw cleaner. A little cooler cup.
So
Bass
cute.
It's got a little lid on it. You can drink out there, put your straw in. We're going to be sitting by our campfire
So
in a
yeah.
hot tub.
I copied it, but I've bought an extra pink slider so that you can tell mine apart. And to make it curl.
So there we go, we're decked out. I got a t-shirt as well, but I'll show you that
Nice.
another time.
But yeah, success, and we managed not to buy a boat, but I mean there was plenty on the market. Crazy. Now one of the things that we were most excited about this trip,
Here we go.
Buc-ee's.
It's not the biggest one in the world, but it's pretty damn
I'd say
big.
it's looking pretty big.
It's been in space.
Yeah.
Most of the spaces are under or for fuel.
Oh my god, look at all the fuel tanks. I mean, obviously it is a petrol station first and foremost, but we'll show you what else it's got. Look at the swimsuits. I really needed this, but they don't have my size. You can see the scale of these. It's just bigger than any cup you could get in the UK. So large.
Obviously, with the price difference, 119.
It's insane.
Why not?
So cheap.
Well, but nice.
What are you going for?
Going for sun kissed.
Nice.
Well, it's very orange.
That is just, there's just so much liquid.
I was tempted to that Arnold Palmer, but it's I think it's a bit sweet for me.
Yeah, look at these ones.
Okay, so it says please put on lid first, so you can fill it up more.
Obviously I went large as well.
And what flavour are you going to go for?
I'm gonna go for obviously wild watermelon. I can't say no to anything watermelon. But I wonder if I can put a bit of this in as well. So I'm gonna do a cheeky. Whoa.
Oh.
My God. Wow. Okay.
Well, that's a good mix.
Oh my gosh, this is exciting. And wait till I show you my new Buc-ee straw when we get in there.
Good.
Sugary goodness. Oh my God, it tastes sour. Success.
Secured the good.
Secured the goods. This is our first round. We said we'll go to the car, eat this, and then we might come back.
Well, I'm going to need to go to the toilet after drinking all this.
I obviously had to get a slushy, wild watermelon and pina colada, and it is so good.
I got some, what was it called again? Sun-kissed.
Yeah, sun-kissed
Yep,
orange.
and my
classic.
huge cup. So good. We're in here eating and drinking because there isn't anywhere in there to eat or drink.
It's
Even
just
though
a
the
gas
place is
station.
huge, you'd thought they had something. But no, we're back in the car, so what else have we got?
Okay, so I, since we're in Texas, went for the sliced brisket sandwich. They slice the brisket there in front of you.
Yep.
A chicken burrito. Feels good and weighty. And then I'd read about this online, the Buc-ee's banana pudding, which I obviously had to get. Oh, we got some jerky. That's also, they slice the jerky, flavoured everything in front of you. It's quite insane. So we went for cherry maple because we thought it sounded a bit different. Obviously, we know my obsession with pickles.
She didn't have enough pickles yesterday.
Candied flavoured pickle chips. Like, what does that even mean? So, have to try them. On the pickle team, actually, there's like salt for your margarita rim, but it's pickle salt. So, actually, it's called beer salt. So, maybe it's for your beer. Maybe it's for whatever you want. And I'd say the best is my Buc-ee straw. You will see me drinking out of this.
Yeah.
Full time.
It was in the kids section, but it's okay, we're big kids.
So we'll let you know how the food is, and we might be back in for seconds before we leave. To get me a hat. You get to pick all these hats. Uh-oh, fine big area boy. Oh wow, that's nice. Branding, so you can get them. Big chills.
Under a reservation, maybe someone doesn't. The waiting options once we
Well, I got my hat.
Yeehaw!
Looked it off my head, but
That's you.
Perfect.
Completed the outfit.
yes, very happy. Great experience. So now that I've got my hat, we're at Ryan's tourist attraction, which is JFK's, the site that he got assassinated. So
Here we are in Healing Plaza, where this little park is where the first ever house in Dallas was built. But more recently it's known as where JFK got assassinated. The top right window, I think there's a marker in it. You can see it in the white
Oh,
bit of
yeah.
paper.
yeah.
And shop down there.
So you're saying there's X's in the road?
Yes, there's X's here, they're a wee bit faded. If you can see, there's one right there, that's the first shot hit him. And then the car was driving down here, and just where this car's about to go right now, that's exactly where the second one blew his head clean off. There you go, that's the first spot right there. I'm presuming these trees weren't there back in the day.
Would obscure your shot a little bit.
It'd been a difficult shot with the trees. We'll go down and see the second one where it all ended. I'm gonna run out and stand on it.
Are you?
But there's no cars now. But there's no police watching. You ready?
Oh no.
Yeah, it's a clear shot.
So conspiracy ended. Clear shot from the library.
Yeah.
Heard it from the man himself.
Yeah.
Nah. So Dallas is pretty massive and apparently loves Irish as well. There's a little sign here with the Irish flag, obviously American flag, telling you how far away all of the Irish pubs are. But yeah, Dallas is pretty massive. It's got a lot of districts and stuff. It's a very warm day, but weirdly it doesn't seem to have a lot of sights. I mean, you might correct us, but a lot of bugs as well. You know, it's a troubling time when I'm too warm and I've got shorts on. Ryan,
I've got 2 pairs of socks on to try and stretch my boots out a bit. I've got leather boots on. I've got jeans on. I'm just a bit warm.
bit hot and bothered. It's I mean, we've been complaining about how cold it is, and this is the second day of sunshine and it's already got too hot for
I
us.
never complained about how cold
Okay,
it was.
I did. But it looks nice when it's sunny.
I mean, it's really nice, yeah.
But
Just need a swimming pool to sit in or something.
yeah, and it does seem to be a big homeless community here.
Yeah.
And maybe some opioid epidemic, I think.
Not so sane people.
Yeah, it's a shame. It's because all the buildings are really well kept and it looks really nice, but there's obviously some other issues in the city. So I think we'll go back to our little hometown of Fort Worth and just be country bumpkins there. Because I think I'm the only country bumpkin here.
Yeah, we're a wee bit out of place.
We didn't actually plan this, but where are we about to drive down?
We're literally about to drive down the exact route that JFK's car drove down when he got shot. I know that's all we can talk about, but it's the main reason we're in Dallas. Yep, we're in the lane. Here we go. Bang! Bang! And then they went speeding down through here.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto the I-35E South Slip Road, then take the I-35E South Slip Road.
Then they used the I-35
I was gonna say, yeah.
slip road.
Take the I-35E South Slip Road, then
Luckily
take
we
the
survived it.
US-67 Slip Road.
There's another over there. Are you between, partner?
Howdy. Between this one and this one. I'd probably usually go for this one, but for some reason I prefer this
Being
one.
drawn to that one. I mean, I think it looks really good. Options. So what are you thinking, partner?
Yeah, I'm happy with this one.
Yeah,
Let's go.
defo the right size.
Definitely the right side.
Oh,
Success. Found one that I like. Fits my head good. Looks like the sun.
perfect.
Cheers.
Ryan's gonna get a picture in the truck bed, but he's using the tyre. What a flex.